So Gurudev Jewel is back with their yet another annual sale, all happening at Beyond Gallery, and this is till 12th of July. Amazing offers चल रहे हैं. So please come down here and check it out. Offers में हमारे पास क्या क्या है? Yes, we have 25% off on imitation jewelry and 20% off on 92.5 silver jewelry, and we have bridal collection, casual jewelry, diamond collection, 95 silver jewelry, and everything under one. Alright, so video call से भी आप appointments लेके करा सकते हो. You know, if you want to see the entire thing, अगर आप अहमदाबाद से हो, I would request you to please visit down here. बाकी swipe left to check out the collection. So do check out their affordable section, just starting from 700. ये पूरी tray में if you buy anything, it's for flat 700. They have beautiful pieces. और इस वाली tray में flat 1000. Check these out. They have some beautiful, cute detailing. These are all brass jewelry. And बहुत ही minimal gifting के लिए अगर आपको चाहिए, then this is the best thing you can opt for. Look at that. Then we have malas जो बहुत ही pretty लगती हैं. साड़ीज के साथ, वेरी सिंपल, नाइस एंड एलिगेंट. Starting off with some beautiful bridal jewelry. Let's check out. Look at that. These are few sets, and you can opt for like wedding jewelry. राखी आ रही है, दिवाली है, different types of festivities, and इन सब पे आपको ऑफर मिल रहा है. Check these out. We have some nice हार also here. Beautiful, and check out their quality. Beautiful pieces. So I'm just giving you a glimpse. बाकी they have an entire range तो आप देख सकते हैं. This entire section is 925 silver jewelry. Look at this. इसमें भी आपको पूरा सेट्स मिलेंगे. अगर नेक पीस हैवी है, you want something simple in the ear, ऐसे में भी मिल जाएंगे. Then this is all fusion silver and gold में. Look at that. Then we have beautiful chokers. This is all silver. This section is entirely for Jarao jewelry. Kadas. Beautiful. Again, this is monzonite jewelry. इसमें भी बहुत ही सुंदर pieces हैं. Monzonite is very much in these days. See, these are two different kind. You can wear it separately. Again, these are also two different kind. इसके earrings भी separate हैं. Look at that. And इन सब पे अभी offer है. And this section is completely diamond jewelry. So अगर किसी को नेक पीसेस ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है and you only want earrings, this is the entire section only and only for earrings. बहुत ही affordable price range में. Look at that. And they have all kind, whether be with stones, monzonite, jarao में, silver में. Look at that. These are beautiful, and of course their annual sale is going on, so you get the best pieces. Check these out. सिर्फ silver में जैसे बोला, they also have beautiful rings. Very, very pretty. This is again all silver. So these are all different kinds of earrings. जैसे fashion jewelry में भी है. This you can wear it for like every day. So kadas में they have a huge variety. Look at that. ये पूरे silver based है. Look at this. Super nice. ये सारे थोड़े wedding में. Wow. Then we have these kind. Beautiful. Check these out. And then they have a variety of flat 1000 में pieces हैं. This is all silver. पूरे different motifs के साथ. Then they have fashion ones. These are all like anti-tarnish. Yes. Check these out. Beautiful. Then we have diamond types. Lovely. Then we have more pieces here. Something like this. These are for 2000 flat. इसमें से कोई भी. And these are for. So we have Jarao Kundan section here, जिसमें आपको long में Then we have short एकदम choker style. Look at these. These are all long neck pieces. With earrings. Something very delicate. These are also long. And these are different kind. ये देखो बहुत ही pretty है. ये वाला भी emerald में. Something with pearl. So I'm just giving you a glimpse कि उनके पास क्या क्या है. I'll try to cover everything.
Just a new collection.
ये silver है. So yes, they do have Navratri collection because it is right around the corner, and you want something classy, elegant. Look at this, some plain nice chania, and you can deck up with a nice jewelry. ये देखिए सारे pieces आपको मिलेंगे. Long nail. Earrings. ये थोड़ा वेडिंग में आ गए हम. वेडिंग के लिए भी चल जाएगा. So the silver jewelry देख रहे हो 9 to 5 hallmark के साथ. Then this is your section. Look at that. Not just any kind. These are very different, very stylish and good pieces. Different motifs के साथ. I'm sure you will not have seen it anywhere else. Look at this. ये सारे silver है. Something very nice, cute, delicate, all silver. If you like something simple. Longer neck pieces. They have these kind. Check these out. Then we have diamond jewelry. अगर आपको कलर में चाहिए like ruby, ऐसे वाले, they have that. एकदम minimal, simple, एकदम lightweight. If you want all statement earrings, only statement earrings में. Beautiful. झुमके हैं सिल्वर में. Something like that. Wow. They have a great variety. They have everything.